Trimmer Module Installation Guide. Unbox the Trimmer Module package. Here are all the accessories and the attachments. Unbox the back brace mount package. Here are all the accessories and the attachments. Power off the core before proceeding. Open the battery cover and remove the 4 screws. Place the BBM and align it with the original screw holes. Use the longer screws from the BBM package to install. Left, original cover. Right, BBM cover. Close the BBM battery cover. Locate the following items. Make sure the back brace mount has already been installed on the Yarbo core. Ensure the bolt holes are properly aligned. Align the 2 mounting holes of the trimmer with the 2 holes on the left side of the BBM. Press the locking button on the top of the pin. Insert it fully into the aligned holes. Shake the pin by hand and check if it is loose. Insert the power connector into the Yarbo core. Press the activation button for 3 seconds. Your Yarbo is ready. Now set up the trimming path in the app. Trimming path setup. Option 1, Trimming Edge. Trimming edge. Create a trimming edge along existing map boundaries or NGZ edges. Best for long or straight boundaries. Tap the area where you want to add a trimming edge. Slide along the boundary to select the edges you want to trim. Tap the area where you want to remove a trimming edge. Slide along the boundary to select the trimming edge you want to remove. Trimming path setup. Option 2, Memory path. Memory path. Drive the rover to record your path and have it replicated 1:1 during work plans. Best for irregular shapes or tight areas. Tap Memory path to add. Tap Start. Make sure this button is on to record where you want to trim. If it's OFF, the memory path records but the trimmer won't run. Your trimmer setup is complete.